Hello Salmelu, welcome back to India African. Yes, we are going to make squid special, also called as Bondas Sukka in Tulu, coastal Karnataka. So let's check out the ingredients. Red chili is about 10 to 12, one fistful of coriander seeds, cumin exactly half of the coriander seeds, a piece of cinnamon, fenugreek seeds about 10 to 12, 3 slices of star anise, clove above 3, 1 whole cardamom, 6 to 7 black pepper, about half teaspoon mustard seeds, fennel seeds about 1 teaspoon. We need about 1 cup grated coconut, 1 large onion chopped, 1 tomato chopped, about 4 to 5 garlic slices, 10 curry leaves, and a bunch of coriander leaves. I've taken about 750 grams of cleaned squid. Let's go. Heat up a pan and pour 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and fry the red chilies. Once the red chilies are fried, add all the spices and fry. Transfer it to a jar and let it cool down. Now on the same pan, we will also fry the grated coconut. Also add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now let's remove it from the pan and keep it aside. Now let's fry some onions using about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add about 3 to 4 curry leaves. Fry until golden brown color. Now we are blending some garlic and fried spices along with the fried onions. Now we are getting to the final process. We are pouring about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, half tablespoon of ghee, add mustard seeds, add garlic, add all the remaining onions, curry leaves, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, add salt as per your taste. Fry them nicely. Now let's add the tomatoes. Stir until tomatoes gets soft enough. Now let's add the squid pieces. Bondas! Now also add the blended masala. Once you have mixed it perfectly, now it's time to cover it with a lid and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir once again. Do not add water. Once the squid is nicely cooked, it's time to add the coconut. Add about 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Finally, add the chopped coriander leaves. Now the delicious squid, so-called Bondas Sukka, is ready. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Do try, enjoy. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.